verify that f of x equals x over 3 minus 1 and g of x equals 3x plus 3 are inverses of each other. To verify that two functions are inverses, we simply need to check the inverse function property. We need to check that f of g of x is equal to x, and we need to check that g of f of x is equal to x. Okay, we just need to make sure these two functions cancel each other out. So we'll start with f of g of x. F of g of x is f of 3x plus 3. And plugging that into f, we get 3x plus 3 over 3 minus 1. And we can factor a 3 from that numerator and have x plus 1. And then those 3's will cancel. And we are left with just x plus 1 minus 1. And of course, that is x. Okay, so this first one, we satisfied. That works. Now for g of f of x. We have g of f of x, which is x over 3 minus 1. And so doing g of that, we take 3 times that input, x over 3 minus 1, and then add 3. If we distribute this 3, we have 3 times x over 3 is x, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, and then we have our plus 3. And of course, the minus 3 and plus 3 cancel, and we end up with x. So we have verified the second condition as well. And from our inverse function property, because both of those are satisfied, we can state now that f and g are indeed inverses.